Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to knit a 2-2 left cable cross and a right cable cross, also known as cable 4 back and cable 4 forward. I have a sample here that I'm going to be working on with some worsted weight yarn, 4mm US 6 knitting needles and a cable needle. I've already started this sample, so I'm going to continue knitting in the pattern that I've already established. This sample has 24 stitches. So the first row I'm going to knit 2, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, and then purl 4, and knit 2. Turn the work and you'll see this is the wrong side of the work. There's no cables on this side. And on the wrong side you will knit the knits and purl the purl. So we knit 2 for those edge stitches, then we knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, and knit 2 for the final edge stitches. Turn the work, so we're back to the right side of the work with the cables, and now we'll knit row 3. Knit 2, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, and knit 2. Turn the work, so we're looking at the wrong side again, and knit 2, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, and knit 2 for the edge stitches. Turn the work ready for row 5, and this will be the cable row. As you see, we've knit the setup rows needed before we do the cables. So knit 2, purl 4, and now you need your cable needle. So the next 2 stitches you will place onto the cable needle, and you will hold that at the back of the work, and this will make a cable fall back. You'll knit the next 2 stitches on the left needle, and then knit the 2 stitches that are being held on the cable needle. Okay, next you will purl 4, and you will use the cable needle again, and this time place 2 stitches on the cable needle and hold at the front of the work. Knit the next 2 stitches on the left hand needle, and then knit the 2 stitches on the cable needle, and that is a cable fall forward. Then purl 4, and knit 2. You can see the twists there in the knitted fabric. Turn the work so we're working on the wrong side, and knit 2, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, and knit 2. Turn the work. So as you can see, that is a really simple cable design, and it is a 6-row repeat. You can find this written pattern over on my website. The link is in the description if you'd like to practice this and get a grip with a basic cable. I do have a lot of cable patterns on my website, so if you want to try something a bit more complicated, I also have Celtic cables and other cables. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you want to give this a try.